In this lecture, you will learn how to validate keywords using Google Trends. You can access Google Trends by going to google.com/trends. Open menu and then click Explore. Now start adding search terms one by one from your shortlisted keyword list. For example, let me type just talk app and press enter key. Now click compare and add the next search term. Let me enter TWC remote control app and press enter key. Similarly, let me enter all the top organic keywords we have found for brighthand.com. But until now, first we manually found out 1 to 3 competitors using Google search. Then using SpyFu, SimilarWeb, and Alexa tools, we expanded the list of competitors from 3 to around 12. Using SEMrush and SimilarWeb, we collected the first set of top organic keywords of those 12 competitors. Using SpyFu and Alexa, we collected the second set of top organic keywords of those competitors. We have shortlisted the keywords and organized them in a spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel. Using Google Trends, We have validated the shortlisted keywords and removed the unworthy ones. At last, we have converted the broad keywords into trending long tail keywords or breakout low competition keywords using Google Trends. Once you complete all these 7 steps, you will get a validated list of around 50 to 60 top organic long tail keywords. Using these keywords, you can start writing articles or posts in your website one by one. Once you cover these 50 to 60 keywords with one article for each of these keywords, you would have got a complete website with 50 to 60 articles or pages. Even by the time you finish these 60 articles, definitely you should have got into the front page for 10 to 20 keywords. In the next lecture, you will learn how to use Google AdWords Keyword Planner tool to find the top organic keywords of specific landing pages.